Apple seems to be making bold moves with the upcoming iPhone 17 lineup, and one particular rumor has everyone talking. The company could introduce a powerful 2nm chip in select models, potentially setting a new standard for smartphone performance. If this happens, the iPhone 17 Pro and possibly even another variant, like the rumored iPhone 17 Air, could see a significant boost in speed and power efficiency, giving them an edge over competitors, including Samsung's highly anticipated Galaxy S25. Previously, reports suggested that all iPhone 17 models would use chips based on TSMC's third-generation 3nm process known as N3P. This would have been a natural step forward, as the iPhone 16 series is already running on the second-generation 3nm chips, N3E. While these improvements bring better performance and efficiency, the most noticeable leaps usually happen when companies transition to an entirely new manufacturing process, which is why the move to 2nm is such a big deal. According to a report from Digitimes, TSMC is expected to start mass production of 2nm chips later this year, and Apple might be the first to adopt this next-generation technology. What makes this even more interesting is that it might not be exclusive to just the Pro model. Some sources suggest that the iPhone 17 Air, which could be a new addition to the lineup, may also benefit from this upgrade. However, due to production limitations, the base iPhone 17 will likely still use a 3nm chip. The advantages of a 2nm chip are substantial. These processors could offer up to 15% higher speeds and improve power efficiency by around 30% compared to their 3nm predecessors. If the iPhone 17 Pro does get this upgrade, it could easily outperform most flagship Android devices, including the Galaxy S25, which is expected to run on a 3nm chip. While Samsung's upcoming device will certainly be powerful, the difference between 3nm and 2nm technology might be noticeable, particularly in tasks that demand significant processing power, such as gaming and high-resolution video editing. That said, it's always best to take early reports with some caution. While Digitimes has been right about certain leaks in the past, not all of their claims turn out to be accurate. Apple is known for keeping its hardware plans a secret until the official reveal, and there's always the chance that production challenges could delay or limit the rollout of 2nm chips. Beyond the potential chip upgrade, the iPhone 17 Pro is rumored to bring other exciting changes. One of the most talked about leaks suggests that Apple may introduce a redesigned rear camera module featuring a horizontal layout similar to Google's Pixel series. This new design could house a 48-megapixel periscope lens with 5x optical zoom, enhancing a phone's photography capabilities. Additionally, the iPhone 17 Pro is expected to ship with iOS 19, bringing new software features and refinements. Even if the 2nm chip doesn't make it into this year's lineup, Apple's ability to optimize its hardware and software together ensures that its devices maintain high performance. While raw processing power is important, factors like energy efficiency, heat management, and real-world usage also play a crucial role in the overall experience. Apple has consistently led in these areas, so even if the iPhone 17 lineup sticks with 3nm chips, it's likely to be a strong contender in the market. As we wait for Apple's official announcement, one thing is certain: the iPhone 17 series is shaping up to be a major upgrade in both design and performance. Whether or not the 2nm chip is part of the final product, Apple users can expect some impressive advancements. Stay tuned for more updates, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for the latest tech news.